Hello everyone, and welcome back to Problem Solving. In today's video, we will solve a Codeforces problem called a short sort, Problem 1873A. As always, I'll guide you through the problem, explain the logic behind the solution, and show you the Python code. The full code will be available in the comments, so make sure to check it out after watching the video. Let's start by understanding the problem. In this problem, you're given several test cases. For each test case, you're provided with a string, s, of length 3. Your task is to check if the string can be sorted over one switch. At most, the string is constructed from A, B, and C. If it's possible, we print yes. Otherwise, we print no, 1. The first line contains an integer, t, the number of test cases. 2. The next, t, lines, each contain a string, s, of length 3, consisting only of the characters A, B, and C. Output. For each test case, output yes if the string can be sorted over one switch at most, and no otherwise. Let's now walk through how to approach solving this problem. Approach. First, we read the number of test cases, t. For each test case, we read the string, s. We check if the first or second or third character of the string is placed correctly. Then we can switch the other two characters in one switch and sort it, so we print yes. Otherwise, we print no. After processing all the test cases, we end the program. Here's the Python code that solves the problem. First line, t equals int, input, reads the number of test cases. Second line, the, while, t greater than 0, loop starts, and for each test case, reads the string. We then check if any of the conditions are true, using if s, 0, equals a, or s, 1, equals b, or s, 2, equals c. If one of the characters placed correctly, we print yes. Otherwise, we print no. Finally, we decrement t to move to the next test case. Let's go through the example. Explanation. Test case 1, the string is ABC. The first character is a, so the condition is satisfied. The string is sorted already and the output is yes. Test case 2, the string is BC. The second character is B, so the condition is satisfied. In one switch we can switch B with C and sort the string, so the output is yes. Test case 3, the string is KBA. The third character is C, so the condition is satisfied. In one switch we can switch C with it and sort the string, so the output is yes. That's it for this video. I hope you found this explanation clear and helpful. Don't forget to check the comments for the complete code. If you liked the video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more competitive programming tutorials. See you in the next video.